Hey y'all, today we will be making some very delicious banana walnut bread. Alright mama, today we are going to make banana bread. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, first thing you gotta do is go get the bananas.
Yeah.
Right. Alright mama, so you see these bananas? They're really ripe. Can you say ripe?
Right.
Yes, so we're gonna open them and we're gonna put them in here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Wow!
Okay, so now you gotta mash it up. Mash it, mash it, mash it. Go mama, go mama. We need 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're gonna put it right here. Good job. So now we need 2 cups of this. Okay, so you're gonna put it in there. Go. No, all of it.
Right.
We need 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
Yeah.
You ready? Drop it in there. We need 1/4 of salt. Yep. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now you can mix it all up. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Wow!
And 1/2 cup of butter. You're gonna put it in there.
Mine!
Put sugar in there, okay? Oh my
Uh-oh.
goodness. I'm gonna put 2 eggs in here and you're gonna mix it, okay? You're gonna put this one in here, okay? Help me. Move your hand. There you go. Okay, now you can mix it. Despacito, despacito. Now we're gonna put this one in here. You ready? Help me. Help me grab the plate. Mix everything together.
Tú también, pues vas con tu...
No, pero yo no.
Now we're gonna mix this one in here, okay? Ready? Espérame, espérame. Ahí voy, ahí voy. Okay, mix them up. You're gonna go ahead and coat the pan or the muffin cups with a layer of butter. You put some here already? I went ahead and put in some of the mixture that didn't have walnuts for my baby. And then we went ahead and put in some walnuts. I think it was about 1 cup, maybe a little bit more, into the rest of the mixture. Mix it.
Pues esto es bueno, más que
Yeah.
creo que la banana,
We poured it into the pan and then we gave it a little shake at the end so that it could disperse evenly. Ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna put it in here, okay?
Yeah.
Only mom, because it's too hot. good.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Like that yummy bun?
Yeah.
That one's for your sister?
Yeah.
And the other one's for you?
Yeah.
Taste it. Taste it. Taste it, Mama. Go, Mama, go. She's so funny because she's so hesitant to taste new foods. Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, there's a big one. There's a big one for Daddy. He's working, silly.
No.
When he comes home, you'll show him, okay?
Yeah.
You want more? Want to taste it? Look at- She liked it, like, Alright, my corazones, I hope you enjoyed this video with my nenas. Make sure you go ahead and follow our Instagram page at Perez Andrade Sisters. See you next time, corazones.